Hi everyone, it's Ellen, and I'm doing another review of class translation app. So this is called ClassTag, and I've just popped on, created an account. One thing I want to note as teacher, you can go in and make a demo classroom, which I think is a really awesome way to trial out the app. It lets you see everything from a parent's point of view, just to make sure that it's coming across as you hope. So there is that option. I've gone ahead and just created a mock classroom anyway, because I wanted to see how different that would be from the demo. So when you go in, first off, I think this is probably the app with the most options if that's what you're looking for. You can customize parent permissions, you can have office hours in this app, you can, preview how the parents are seeing it, you can connect it to your school, invite parents, and you can schedule and welcome announcement. You can also, get your a supply list, started. So I think that's a really great option that I haven't seen before, and it really kind of connects families to this app in more ways than one. So once you've gone in and created the classroom, you can add your students. So you go in, you press add students, and let's just let it load. You can see here it has me as teacher, but I've inserted myself as a student. So you can just add the student's name if you have another one. You can also copy them from a spreadsheet. We've seen this feature before, but I think it's really helpful to have on hand. And you can also download and print parent invitations, which is a great way to introduce them to the app. So when I go into the student here, I haven't finished creating them. You can see there's an option to message and backpack. So that's a place where you can upload files. Again, just an added feature. I think it might take you a while to figure out all the features on this app. There's quite a bit. But the great part is you have a student profile, really. So you go in and you can connect a guardian to their profile. And this is done via email. So you can also change it to print an invite or invite via phone. And for today, we'll just email, and you can click on the language that you want them to be using. So let's just say check, preview the message. Yep, so it's all been translated. Just trying to introduce in the app. So I think that's a really great option. And you can see how it's going to come out in a text versus an email. That preview option is not one that I've seen before. So I think, if that's something that is going to interest you, I think this is a great app to use. And we'll go ahead and press invite. And you can add multiple guardians, I believe, to the student. So that's a great feature as well, especially for, families that are co-parenting, or maybe there's additional guardians involved. I think that's a great feature. So that's just on the homepage. You can see down the sidebar here, there is quite a few things going on. Class settings, weekly summary, library, directory, activities. So I think this could be kind of an all-encompassing app, maybe similar to something to like Google Classroom almost, where, assignments are sent out and whatnot. You can request volunteers, events, to-do items, parent-teacher conferences. So this is something that, you definitely need to take your time with, look through and see if all the features are really aligning with what you want to have in your classroom. But other than that, I think it's a great app and the options are kind of endless. So I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you test out the app. All right, thanks for watching.